Zorin OS and Deepin OS are two Linux distributions designed to offer a polished and user-friendly desktop experience, but they approach this goal differently. Zorin OS is tailored for users transitioning from Windows, featuring a familiar interface and excellent support for older and less powerful hardware. It's based on Ubuntu, ensuring good compatibility with software and hardware. Zorin focuses on stability, ease of use, and includes a helpful set of pre-installed applications. Deepin OS, developed in China, is known for its visually stunning deep-in desktop environment, which prioritizes sleek design, smooth animations, and an elegant aesthetic. However, this beauty comes with higher resource usage, making Deepin less suitable for older machines. Additionally, some users have privacy concerns due to Deepin's origins. While Zorin OS prioritizes accessibility and stability, making it ideal for Linux beginners and practical users, Deepin OS appeals more to those who value design and visual appeal above all. Your choice depends on whether you want a dependable, familiar system or a strikingly beautiful desktop experience.